Well, we've got a really exciting day today, only 100 miles from Perth. Perth's a big milestone for us. Not only is it the big smoke, it's well over the halfway point. We're leaving Jurien. We spent the night here in a dive shop of all places, and we were lucky they had a bit of accommodation upstairs and it was really comfortable. It poured last night, so certainly beat sleeping on the boat. Woohoo! To have a day of only 100 miles then. Okay, well, this is a day before Perth, just about to take off from Jurien Bay. This is Ben. Ben Kirby is certainly one of the instigators behind Naiad Marine, which will be featuring in the next couple of days a blog on their own, the boats, which are just a machine. So he's the lucky winner who bidded on the leg of the last 160 kilometres to Perth. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Yeah, we should be able to get wet today. I think there's a bit of rain forecast and a bit of breeze, but 2 days in Perth, which we're looking forward to. I'm sure we'll have a beer.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Across an albatross eating a cuttlefish, pretty special. We'll see how close we can get. Okay, well, it's very fitting that the welcoming party was Rob and Mark. Rob's the man behind the boats and the vision of Naiad. Mark's the main builder that did most of the structural work on our two boats. So he can be cheeky now because we've got to Perth without any doubt.
Job done,
so well done, Mark. And thanks, Rob.
Well done. You're still bloody mad.
And still mad, yeah, but anyway. Well, we arrived in Fremantle. Great cheer squad. Never had flashing lights on the top of a rescue boat before, and I hope I'll never do it again, just in case there's a bit of a problem there. Well, what did you think of it, Ben?
Today was a great day. It was a really good adventure. We saw lots of whales and lots of birds out in the water. I had a really good day. Thanks very much.
Pleasure to have you aboard.
Thank you.
Mate. Hey, Ben and I go back a fair way, so it was great to have a friend aboard one of the boats too, so that's good. And we're going to do catch up in the next couple of days and aim for one full day of recovery, and then weather permitting we'll be back into it on Sunday.